Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I wanted to show you this amazing shampoo and conditioner. It's a set and it's made my hair softer, bouncier, and noticeably manageable. It is by Luseta, and this one is made with keratin. It's got the keratin in the shampoo and the conditioner. And this works to moisturize and hydrate my many, many years of damaged hair. So I noticed these on a counter for sale at a hair salon and was super, super excited to find it on Amazon. I'm really glad I did. So there's other great formulas to choose from too, like there's an argan one. There's also one for enhancing your curls. It's got coconut oil in it. And then there's a tea tree one for dandruff. And they have multiple choices to fit your hair needs. So I love that the shampoo lathers up wonderfully. And this conditioner feels super creamy, not greasy, and it works to detangle my thick hair. It smells great, really, really fresh, but not overpowering. So this shampoo and conditioner, it's safe for color treated hair. It works for both men and women for everyday wash. I love the way it makes my hair feel and look. I highly recommend this for all types of hair. I love it.